We start with value and think, well, we can't assume that our power supply or control system is required. We've got to understand and take time to know the customer. And so I think starting with where value is created in an organisation is core, it's fundamental. For us, it's clear we can't go along with product propositions, but I think working much more consultatively with our clients, we can sort of look at a broad range of things that we do and map those back to the areas in which we think they'll benefit the client. Ultimately, I think it's that first stage of just sort of trying to understand the value that's really important, because I don't think you really need to get into the financials too often. If you've really made sure that you're on the same page, getting these out of people, having them think about, well, where are the savings, what are the benefits, and structure them and justify them, and coming up with an argument that shows a potential saving and a return is a long way towards being able to make that sales case. But if you've got 10 people in a room around a table, you've got 10 wildly different opinions. You all wear a hat for a period of time. So for the meeting, if it's 10 minutes, everybody's got a white hat on to start with. Right, what are the facts? We've used this both internally in our business, but also externally with our clients. And I recommend it as a way of really getting people together, because to me, that's key in selling. We do quick problem workshops. We'll get people together, and again, we'll have a structured discussion. We'll work with our customer to try and understand what's the problem before we dive in and assume we've got the solution. What are the root causes leading to the agreed profile statement for the problem? And you can do this in 10 minutes in a discussion. Fabulously effective way of getting people together. For me, selling is very much about getting people on the same page by understanding their sector and having something to say to them about the vertical sector that they're in. Recognising that there's value needs to be created. You can't just talk about the technology, but of course taking some simple steps to try and